All right, I want to go over how to solve problem 2.1b in Excel. In problem 2.1b, we have the question that's asking how long in time is it going to take to get 0.8 weight percent carbon at a depth of 1 millimeter. And our initial value is 0.2, our surface value is 1.2, and the diffusivity here is given as 1.697 times 10 to the minus 10 meters squared per second. And so we can fill in our error function equation like this. We can go ahead and multiply all of these numbers out. This one is going to give me 0.6, so I'm going to go ahead and move the 1 over. I'm going to end up with 0.4 on that side, and the numbers inside of here give me 38.3821 divided by the square root of t. Okay. And so my problem here then becomes finding the value z, the value in here, that gives me 0.4. Once I find out what that z value is, then I can go ahead and set it equal to what's in here, and then I can just simply solve for my time. So I've already set up kind of how to get the time based on a z value shown here. Right, so my time is just simply the 38.3821 divided by my z value and that quantity squared. So that's my time value here. You can see it. See my equation. And here I just have the error function of whatever I put in for my z value. And so I can put in, kind of random values in here, and I can try and keep going, and maybe by trial and error find out when the error function of z is equal to 0.4. Okay, but this is what the what-if analysis or the goal-seek works really well. So what we want to do is come up here to what-if analysis. Let's select goal-seek. And the goal-seek here says, let's go ahead and set cell. And I do want to pick my error function z cell. I want this cell to become 0.4. Right? That's what I'm shooting for here. That value in this cell becomes 0.4. And I want to do that by allowing it to change this value z. And so this is going to continue to change this value until this becomes 0.4. And then this will basically a trial and error, but it does it for us. I'll say OK. And boom, there we go. So, there's some error here you can see with Excel, but close enough. So we've got the error function equal 0.4, and it tells us that a z value then is 0.3711. And my time now based on that is 10,695, or 2.97 hours. Okay. Because if we do this in Mathematic or something and just solve directly for this, I think we'll get actually 2.98 hours, but this works close enough. And that's how you use the goal-seek to find a value in Excel.